Let's learn how to write mashallah in Arabic. The phrase mashallah means Allah has did it. It is used when something good has happened in the past and it is while for praising it said mashallah, Allah has willed it. For writing mashallah, the first letter is mean. Join the alif for ma and for shaa, sheen. Sheen join the alif and hamza and alif comes again and for Allah is lam. Lam comes again and ha in the end. Half shape of mim join the alif for ma and for sha half shape of sheen join the alif for sha and hamza comes it after it and alif coming isolated shape and lam in half shape join the another lam in half shape and ha in the edge. MashaAllah. For writing mashallah in English, the equivalent of meme is M. Ma. For Shah, it's a combination of two letters S and H. Ma, Shah. And for Allah, A, L for Lam, L for Lam, and H for Ha. MashaAllah.